Off-grid isn't a lifestyle, it's a rebellion. Watch us today as we cut the rest of these stumps down and rake the driveway and start prepping for gravel. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna try to knock out some of these bigger stumps first. You see we got, I remember the last video, you've seen that we got this one, so we'll try to knock out this one. Then we got one in the front up there I'm gonna try to knock out first. So we're gonna get it set up and see if we can knock these out first. Let's get it. Oh, also, I did get a new blade this time for my saw. I got a fresh battery, a new blade, and hopefully it slices through this ish like butter, because I don't want to fight with that stuff today. And it's all greased up. Look at it. Look at it. It's all nice and greased up, and it's good. So let me get you guys set up, and hopefully we knock this ish out. I got the boys. They're about to get ready to start raking the drive. Let's go. So what we're trying to do here, we're trying to rake all the stuff away from the log so I can get low as I can. So that's what we're going to try to do. Try to rake all this stuff as low as we can. Because I think if we can get lower to the lower to the ground, the better. So that way we don't have to worry about it later on when we put the gravel down, and then maybe a tree trying to grow up in the middle of the dang drive, huh? Right?
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's more back here as y'all get back, huh?
Yeah.
It's all the pines from the pine trees.
And all the vines and stuff inside the ground.
That too.
That should be good enough, right?
Yeah, that's good enough. Right.
Keeps getting caught on those two.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you, bud.
No problem.
It's gonna be a little harder than I thought. All right, so this is going to be, it's going to be way harder than I thought. Is this stump, even with the brand new blade, it's been really stubborn. It's hard to get my saw perfectly flat and level, like with the ground, for this bigger one. So I'm sure the smaller ones would be a lot easier, but this big one is being a pain in the ass, buddy, I tell you that. But so I'm gonna go get the shovel and see if I can dig out around it some, and maybe it'll be easier. So let's go. is what it is. This is not gonna work, man. I'm gonna have to get like a bush hog or something, man, huh? Bro, this stump's kicking my ass, bro. I'm gonna have to do something else. It's just too damn big. I can't get my saw underneath it because my saw gets pinched, and I started cutting into the dirt, but I don't want to dull my blade out as soon as I freaking get it. So I'm gonna have to get like a bush hog or a stump grinder or something like that out here to grind that one stump. But I mean, if you look, it's like right here at the end of the drive. There's like the house property right there. But I mean, it's too big, guys. So I'm gonna try to cut all the smaller ones down flat first, and then I'll worry about the couple big ones later. Because might have to get like a stump grinder or something if I can't get around it. So let's get to the other ones, guys. All right, got one. On to the next, brother. All right. Nice. Oh man, that looks, just cutting those out. It looks good. Yay!
Nice.
Uh-oh, I think I might be figuring it out, guys.
Ooh.
This may be experience, bud.
Probably.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Every fucking time, man. Let me see that rate quick. So we got it. My battery is just dead in my saw. Silly me. Silly me! Like that?
Yup.
Dude, it's hot as... Bro, it's hot. And I was going to try to get this stump again. This one. I was going to try to cut that stump again, but my chain popped on my saw. And this big dog is just giving me a hard time. So I'm probably going to have to get like a bush hog or a stump grinder on that one. But it's at the end of the drive. Because there's the plot right there, and it's just right here at the end. And technically I might not even have to cut that one down, because I had an idea, guys. So what if, instead of cutting that one down, see that one tree right there, the center right there, I can cut that one down and have the driveway come and curve, because my wife, she wants like a U-turn driveway. So maybe I can just curve it, just have it go around. But there'd be a whole lot of other trees I would have to cut down. But that'd be ideal, right? You guys think about that? I think so. I think that'd be good, because that one stump is giving me a hard time. But I got all the other ones cut down. Good, I can get in the shade. Oh dang, bro, it's so bright and it's so hot out here. Whew, I'm not ready. I'm gonna have to invest some money maybe in a gas chainsaw, because now I see why people got gas chainsaws. It's where it's at. So, I mean, the battery powered chainsaw, it does the job, but it just don't have the power to cut big stuff. Like these little medium-sized trees, it can cut those just fine. The smaller trees, it can cut those just fine. Or if you're trying to log up a thinner tree, it works fine. But for these big trees, you definitely need a gas-powered chainsaw. So either I got to get a gas-powered chainsaw or a stump grinder or something to come out here for that one. Unless it dies, and we can cut it down then. It'd be softer wood. Right now it's just too damn hard, and my chain, it's too much pressure on my little battery powered chainsaw, and it's just pinching the hell out of my damn blade and keep knocking it off track. Oh guys, the shade sure does feel good though, buddy. I'll tell you what. Oh man.
I'm just saying, you know.
All right, so now we're gonna prep the driveway some more. Try to go ahead and clear all this stuff out. Mike Togai. Ching. guys, so we got all the stumps up. All the stumps up. And when I tell you, guys, this driveway actually looks like a driveway. I think we're actually physically prepared for gravel. I'm going to show you this because I think my camera's about to die, but let me show. Bro, look at this. It's like all the way down to the dirt, all smooth. All the stumps are up. And you see that one stump right there? That's actually way past the footage we need. So we're not actually going to cut that one down. We don't need it because we got 12 foot from the edge of that stump to there, and we only need 10 foot. So, but we're good. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but look, bro, it looks so good, guys. All the stumps are up. We're all good. We got all the stumps up, except for that one way in the back. But the driveway, I think we're going to curve the driveway into the house. So we're going to stop right there because at least the driveway goes to the house, and we don't have to go that far. Yeah. So, yeah, and we got to get rid of that pile too before we leave. Let's go. But yeah, the driveway looks fantastic, guys. It looks so good. It looks so freaking delicious. It's like down to the dirt, and it's still a little moist, but it looks like a freaking drive. I'm excited, man. We're actually ready for gravel on this part of the drive now. Now we just got to get those trees up, and we got to get dirt where the culvert is to level that out, and then we'll be ready for gravel. Dude, we almost there, baby. Heck yeah. Let's get rid of this pile, guys. So, I was looking for dirt for my culvert out front. I just realized I have a giant pile of dirt right here that started growing stuff. I guess this is when they first cleared the area out. So I'm going to check it out and see if that's dirt. If it's dirt, then I can just get a wheelbarrow and move that dirt up to the front instead of just buying dirt. Heck yeah. So if that's the case, then next weekend I know what I'm doing. Let's go. Let me check this out. Let's see. Yeah, so this is all a giant freaking pile of dirt. So we should be good. So next weekend, I guess that's going to be the next plan. This giant pile of dirt right here, I'm going to get a wheelbarrow and go out to the street out there, and I'm going to go level that up. So I'm going to go out here and show you guys. Leveled it up at the flat. It's very flat at the ground at the street, and then we got it at 15 foot right here wide, and we got it all the way at the ground here, so that way we can get our dirt flat and like straight. And we still need a lot of dirt. Now hopefully all that dirt back there in the back, it's enough to fill this in. Hopefully it's enough. I'm praying, but that's what we're going to do next weekend. We're going to focus on this, getting it flat out, getting dirt all the way there, and getting that. I've realized that end, the very end down there that I got lined up, is crooked AF. It's not good, but it's okay. This right here is super straight, so that's what we're going to do. As always, this is Marcus with the Lucky Tribe, and we're going to be done for today. It's hot, it's muggy, sweaty. I need to go home and wash my butt. And so there should be a video right here, guys. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think, man. And go click this video, go check it out. Bye.